Hello and welcome to this brand new AML Bitcoin tutorial. Today we will present you our digital identity system and how to enable the digital identity and biometric transaction security mobile application. To activate the system, you have to log in to amlwallet.com and select the digital identity tab. Here you have to select agree to the beta terms and conditions since this application is currently in public testing mode. Here's where you can click to see the beta terms and conditions. Please do not participate in the public beta testing unless you agree to these terms and conditions. Now you have to select I acknowledge that the digital identity platform and mobile application is in public beta mode. I agree to the beta terms and conditions. Click select. Now you click connect to the digital identity platform. Now you have to please go to the Google Play Store and download the AML Bitcoin digital identity application. As you can see, the Android application is ready now on my phone. The iPhone version will be ready for public beta testing very soon, and we will inform you. After you've downloaded the application, open the app and press the scan QR code on top of the application. Of course, you can also read all of those things here. Safe accounts, Trust Utility provides next generation protection for all your accounts and important personal information. Complete control. You get complete control over who can request your identity and when and where to authorize transactions. And you are the key. Using securely stored biometrics, you can rest assured that your accounts can only be ever accessed by you. We click finish. And now you go to scan QR code. And you have to scan this little QR code that is in here. Log in. Now I have to confirm my face. The application should automatically close. You hit the login button to reopen the app and perform your first face scan in order for the application to open. Just in case you're facing issues with your first face scan, please remove your glasses in case you're wearing some, because the reflections on your glasses can actually interfere with the biometric scanning system. And as you can see here, I have my admin ID, which is A0870. And in the next video, we will share you everything about the wallet. But for now, congratulations, you now have access to the AML Bitcoin digital identity and biometric transaction security mobile application. We'll see you in the next video. Have a great week.